Huh?
I think we need more cream.
I think I should just shave it.
Yeah, with regular, right?
Yeah.
Can we do the other leg regular?
Hold on, let me
Yeah, let's just do regular.
up or down? Doesn't matter. But they usually go
Wow, you look good right now. Adrian shaving.
Getting rich? Good.
No, you need more age.
Yeah, it's not working.
Here, it's gonna grow unevenly if you do that. Here, give me.
No, it's good. Well, what is it growing right now? It's not like anyone's gonna see it in the next, like, 2 months.
Let's just shave it regularly.
Okay.
I'm gonna hate you forever.
I'll kill you.
No, you won't. It's gonna be mad for a year.
Oh, yeah.
Hold up, Rich, I got the new method. What's that? Oh!
Okay.
It's so very almonds.
Stop.
The back?
Oh, I'll shave the back.
So bad. Yeah, like, over here. The back sounds gross. That is the worst shave I've ever seen in my life. Like, I haven't seen many, but I'm pretty sure.
Dude, wash it all off. Let's just shave regular. Rich, wash it all off.
Oh, this is so nasty, dude. Look at that.
Whip it on her.
Stop.
Bam.
Ew.
Ew.